Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with a developing story. Patients and staff at a ward at the University Hospital of the West Indies were evacuated after an electrical fire at the facility. Up to news time, the fire brigade was still at the hospital conducting checks. Now, TVJ's Giovanni Dennis is on location and now joins us live with the very latest. Giovanni.
Where the fire took place earlier. Now, as you can see, the area is cordoned off. No one is being allowed on the inside at the moment, except for a few patients that we have seen being moved outside of the area. No one is allowed on the inside. Now, this is what we know so far about the fire. It's now contained. There are no reported injuries to patients. All patients on the ward 4, which is the affected ward, have been safely relocated. The cause of the fire, we understand it was an electrical fire, a small electrical fire. Now, we have been speaking to hospital authorities, but no one is available to speak to us on camera at the moment. Information is very sketchy at this moment. No one is willing to speak with us on camera. Now, earlier this afternoon, the hospital's CEO, Kevin Allen, spoke to our news center to give us an update.
A small electrical fire on Ward 4. We managed to control the fire. All our patients, we had 18 patients on the ward. We managed to evacuate all the patients. 11 staff were on duty, and nobody got hurt. They are okay. The fire brigade they're here. They're carrying out the necessary checks, and I just took a break to just inform the country what is happening.
There has been some amount of confusion from patients here. Patients are not sure exactly how to traverse the area because, as you can see, as I again repeat, the area is now cordoned off. So patients are using alternative routes to move around inside the hospital. We did see a few irate patients when we arrived who were expressing some frustration that someone in a wheelchair was actually moved and does not know where to go. However, no, we'll continue to stay here. We'll continue to monitor the situation, and if there's an update, of course, we'll provide it before the end of this newscast.